In 1 minute, you speak about
Thank you, sir.
1 minute.
Sir,
Speak about yourself, to introduce yourself.
sir, my name is Ranjan Kumar Sahu. I belongs to the district of Noagarh district, and sir, I have done my graduation from College of Agriculture, Odisha, and now, sir, currently I am pursuing my masters in Agriculture College of Agriculture, Bhubaneswar, from Department of Agricultural Economics.
So, Pratham Bhargava, I belong to Bhargava, I belong to.
Sir.
Okay, Ranjan, now you have not clear some of the columns like your family details, your father's name, mother's name, these serial number 6,
Sir.
blank point.
Sir, actually, but yesterday I was in a hurry, so that I couldn't feel. Sir, I will later.
You need to be very careful about it.
Yes, yes, sir. I will do. Sir. Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
And your subject is agriculture, and you are now doing post-graduation in agricultural economics at OUA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but your subject is on these related sectors like agriculture and forestry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And about this, about this forestry, I try to hear from you.
Sir.
You just tell me about the social forestry.
Sir.
How social forestry is beneficial to the mankind,
Sir.
and how what is the government initiative and the government initiative taken in this field in the years back.
Sir.
Has it been successful?
Sir, social forestry as a section of forestry is not new. It has been practiced, but recently, sir, there is a focus on the social forestry scheme, so that, sir, the people of the local area can be empowered, and, sir, different NTFs such that non-timber forest produce like lac, shellac, silk, honey, it can be produced, and it can certainly improve the income of the people around the area. And, sir, government is also focusing, so that, sir, sometimes people need to be self-employed and can give employment also through that. So, social forestry is very much beneficial in these days.
But the government and the non-government sectors like the NGOs or the people at large, they are new witness to the subject drama. These jungles are on fire, forests on fire. That is again become a global issue like Australia, we must have heard.
Yes, sir.
Ontario, Canada,
Sir.
America is also severely affected. And for your knowledge, this burning of forest, so far as burning of forest is concerned, Odisha occupies the top position so far as the other states are concerned. Around 51,000 from all forests, they are all destroyed by fire. So when the forests are on fire and government is not able to tackle that issue and going for new schemes and new projects, how far it will be helpful? Because already forests are there.
Sir.
On the name of industrialization, urbanization, huge trees used to fell down every day by the government agencies.
Sir.
So what is the solution? Urbanization will go on, industrialization will go on,
Sir.
mechanization of agriculture will be there.
Sir.
But how to contain that?
Sir.
How to contain, what is the solution for future? You are as an agriculture graduate or you are being postgraduate, you are seeing the global warming, how the city in the month of July you must have had the city of this China got inundated. 5,000 years back, there was no such rainfall at that area. The city was completely inundated. And in Odisha also you are seeing back. And then the breaking news you must be seeing that this sort of rainfall was there in the year 1958. and some of the and records of 1958 have been broken during this period. This is all book. What are the underlying reasons for this thing, this unusual kind of behavior?
Sir, as you mentioned,
And how to contain it?
sir, as you mentioned, the climate change and global warming has taken a huge toll on the mankind, and sir, one should need to aware about that, and that is the very much catastrophic event that has been happening. As sir, recently the Similipala fire due to the Simul leaf forest, the dry leaves forest, and as the people has been exploiting the forest, so there has been an occurrence of wildfire, and the sir Australian bushfire is also there. And sir, to contain the wildfire thing, first the solution should be from the community itself, so that the community need to aware that we should exploit the forest in a sustainable manner. We should use the forest in a sustainable manner, and there should be a proper period so that we can collect the leaves, all these things.
What do you mean by sustainable development?
Sir, sustainable development means, sir, using our current resources in a manner such that it cannot damaged overally, and it can be for the future use also. Sir. Sir.
You are also free to speak in Odia if you like so.
Sir.
So there is absolutely no bar.
Sir.
Suppose you are more comfortable with Odia, you can also
You can speak
answer
Odia.
this.
Sir,
No bar, no issue in that concept.
Sir.
Okay. But
Sir, I was quite fumbling,
You
sir.
see in a relaxed mode, no?
very relaxed mode,
Sir.
and this
Go to the
very
dinner side.
relaxed mode, we are all
Thank you, sir. Okay,
yes.
sir.
Sir, English is also good, but I am telling you can also take in Odia for the better.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So sustainable development means using the resources in a manner such that it will be available for our future generations also. And sir, this should be the aim. And as the Gandhiji has rightly mentioned, the nature has everything for man's need, but not everyone's need. That we should aware about it in the sustainable development manner.
Educated students, after your BCG,
Sir.
what they should come to civil life
Sir.
rather than continue also bachelor
Sir.
by your consulting your career profile or educational profile? What is it?
Sir, I come from a very humble background, and I have done my graduation in agriculture. So, sir, being a human or being a citizen of this country also, or being belongs to the state of Odisha. Sir, as is a agricultural state, and 60% of the people belong to this Odisha state. So, sir, there is a huge scope in the improvement in the agricultural sector, and there are certain structural lacunae and certain loopholes that need to be addressed. And sir, if I am coming to the administrative service, then certainly, sir, I will do the best for the better policy implementations, and sir, the policy will be reaching to the people for the common agricultural, for the layman people, and sir, that will certainly empower the people. And certainly, sir, the doubling farmers income 2022 and our prime minister's visions of the $5 trillion economy could be achieved through the agriculture. And agriculture has a lot of stake in our economy.
So that you will work on the pressure of the political group.
No,
But I will tell you what academically.
no, sir, that's the vision of.
You say, I will say.
Sir.
What a cat is the basic difference between video and the tahsildar.
Sir, BDO is the head of the block, and Tahsildar is a head of the Tahsil. BDO normally works for the rural development, and Tahsil for the revenue collection procedure. Sir, that is the basic difference.
Suppose you picture the video.
Sir.
What Prime Minister efforts will put it to develop the local farmers.
Sir, as a BDO, as I have lot of powers and responsibilities also, at first I will talk to the local leaders, and I will communicate to the local farmers also, so that they will come and we will organize.
Which one is correct?
Sir.
Local leaders, political group will talk,
Sir.
or farmers will talk?
Sir, I will both talk to the leader also, and will keep to the farmers in confidence also, so that they won't get they don't go destabilized, so that the agricultural things could be foreseen.
Farmers would have been convenient the local leaders.
Sir.
Convenient to
Sir,
why the requirement of BDO, collector, why the bureaucrats are required?
sorry sir, couldn't get it.
Once the farmers,
Sir.
village level, they will be convinced they will be helped by the local sarpanch,
Sir,
ward member, or MLA. What the requirement of bureaucrats? Bureaucrats क्या करेंगे? What they will do?
sir,
They are happy with that line.
sir, as in administrative bureaucracy model, sir, our main aim is to implement the policy so that the policy, sir,
Aim is okay.
sir,
You are working for the public. You are working for farmers. What action will you take
sir,
to improve the local farmers' career point?
sir, sir, I will first try to make into confidence the local farmers, and sir, and I would also make a performance appraisal system so that the officials' performance would be evaluated, and sir, if there is any lacuna or if there is any loopholes, I could really address that situation in a very amicable manner
Sir,
at
your
first.
action
Sir,
totally goes upon the if and but. If there is a problem, you do. If there is a thing, you do. Otherwise, you will not do any action as a bureaucrat. I said that is a problem.
sir,
ଧାନ ବିକ୍ରି ପାରୁନି ମଣ୍ଡିରେ, ଧାନ ସରିଗଲାଣି କେହି ନେଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ପରିବା ରୋଡ଼ରେ ଯାଉଛି, କ୍ଷୀର ରୋଡ଼ରେ ଯାଉଛି, ଲୋକକୁ ସାର ମିଳୁନି, ସିଡ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ମିଳୁନି,
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ 2000 ଟଙ୍କା କାଳିଆ ଯୋଜନାରେ, what to do 2000 rupees?
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir,
What I will pay the today in my village, maroon. 12 Bhubaneswar, maroon completely. Loka chalchi.
sir,
As a Tahsildar,
Sir.
as a below the camp,
Sir.
to make them walk the mud. What to do at that time, my coaching, in case you are going to posted as video, what action take for the sake of the farmers' growth.
sir, for the sake of the farmers' growth, as I have said, I would take the people in the confidence. So, the people sometimes become cynical about the government. I would tell that we are for your development also, and I will certainly make them aware about the scheme. So, sometimes people are not aware about the scheme, so that the scheme may leak into the other persons. So that if they could be aware, they could be empowered themselves, and they can also question our officials, so that we would be accountable for the people's development.
You
Sir,
will be aware of the scheme of government scheme, or will you implement the government? Whose is correct?
sir, I will make aware and implement them in both a coordinated manner.
Which are schemes government has given as a for farmers?
Sir, for farmers' growth, Odisha government is doing a Kalia scheme for the farmers' growth, as in Kalia Krushak Assistant Livelihood for income augmentation, giving 2,000 rupees for the farmers' growth. And sir, for the farmers' growth, there is a scheme also for
In 2000, how can grow like anything?
no sir,
Or 5,000?
sir, actually it will giving a cushion for their growth, so that they can buy fertilizer, seed, all the input materials, and that will certainly empower them.
In the
Sir, there is also a scheme for giving the land rights to the landless laborers in our state.
my last question goes to Mr. Ranjan.
Sir,
What makes you to come to civil administration and why?
sir, sorry sir,
What makes you
sir,
to change your mind from agriculture to civil administration and why?
sir. As civil administration, sir, as it given a huge arena for all the developmental needs, so that sir, as a agriculture candidate, I have the knowledge in my agricultural subjects, so that I could implement them, and I could understand the basic technicalities of the agriculture, and I could make sure that agriculture could be done in a very technical manner and a very sophisticated manner, so that the income could be more in case of agriculture. So I could betterly done that, sir, as an agriculture graduate.
So, Mr. Saul,
Sir,
I just clarify me what the difference between agriculture and agricultural economics.
sir, sir,
Graduation agriculture, profession is not complete, you are continuing.
yes sir,
Profession is complete,
continuing sir,
continuing.
sir.
What is the difference between agriculture and agricultural economics?
Sir, agricultural as a subject is a broad aspect that covers several other departments also, sir, such as entomology, agronomy, soil science, agriculture economics, agriculture extension. And agriculture economy is only a facet of that broad umbrella that is called agriculture.
Is
So,
it
sir,
agricultural economy or economics?
agricultural economics, sir.
You are saying economic development, okay.
Sir,
Now, how is it that you find the positive relation between agriculture and economics.
Sir.
What is the bond between the two?
Sir, as agriculture is contributing more than 20% of the GDP of both the state and the country, and the people involved also large, about more than 50% of the people are being involved. So that, sir, it is contributing a good amount to the economy also. So, sir, if agriculture could be developed, then that will certainly empower our economy also.
Not industry.
Sir. Sir, industry is also equally important, and sir, the people amount participation in agriculture is more. So that, sir, they need to be also economically more.
Also bond with agricultural industry.
Yes, sir, there is certainly a bond. If, sir, if we are producing, sir, for example, if we are producing the sugarcane, then that could be used in the agro processing industry, that sugarcane industry. If we produce tomato, that could certainly use in the value addition industry, such that tomato ketchup industry.
Manures are produced by?
Sir?
Manures?
Sir, manures are produced by the animals and
I mean, either in industry or factory to produce the manure, no?
yes, sir, manure, so the factory, sir.
Pesticide, insecticide?
Yes, sir, the pesticide. Sir,
Agricultural implements are produced by?
Agriculture factories, agriculture.
Then you go to the industry as well.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Only you, I think, you have taken your subject as the optional.
Sir.
The agricultural and
Forestry.
Sir. You have taken your own subject.
Sir.
Most of them also will have different subjects, which are not sociology or something like that.
Sir.
Since you have your own subject there, as you ask, you will take the given posting. Now, what is the basic problem of agricultural farmers? When you listen to the suicides of the farmers, I mean, in other states, there is another force increasing in Odisha. What are the possible reasons?
Sir, the basic reason is the supply chain issues. Sometimes the farmer are not getting the right amount of seed and fertilizer and pesticide in the right time, and sometimes, sir, if they get also, they don't have the knowledge how to apply them in a correct manner. And sir, secondly,
but as you understand from paper,
sir,
that because of the loan,
sir,
they have taken and they are not able to be paid, maybe due to loss of production, or poor production. These could be reasons,
sir,
and ultimately they take to that final suicide. How to check it?
Sir, at the time of giving them a loan, sir, the sustainability of the farmer could also be addressed. And sir, if we certainly give them support to improve their agriculture status, then certainly, sir, the things should be get better and they will get the desired result. And the, sir, as you said,
the expert raised you that you produce paddy,
sir,
but paddies are not being purchased by the government. They are given token, they are gone. What is the real problem? Body procurement is not done, they are just lying there, they are sleeping less common, sleepless nights, spending sleepless nights. Why is this happening there?
Sir, sometimes I would say there is a gap between the common farmers, common laymen and the officials also, so that their amount of paddy cannot be rightly produced by the agriculture producing marketing society.
Is there a possibility that we are producing more paddy, we could have produced some other crops, cash crops instead of paddy?
Yes, sir, there is a scope for diversion. We can certainly cultivate paddy with pulses. Sir.
How is it possible that to switch help the farmers?
Yes, sir.
To switch over, to make a switch over from paddy crop to other cash crops?
Sir, as other crops, cash crops are highly beneficial, such as tea, coffee, and sir, coconut also. There can be more economical benefits from them, and sir, that could be also sustainable use for that, sir. As we.
Okay, so government is not taking a step for that.
Sir.
For this government, we are not able to purchase paddy. So many paddy is being produced, we cannot purchase everything. How to help them? Is government taking a step to make people switch over from this side to that side?
Sir, government is hiring people to go for the crop diversification.
Why is it not happening? Is it for the officers?
Sir.
For the agricultural officers, other issue officers, you intend to join. Are they not cooperating or are they carrying this message to the people? What is your opinion?
Sir.
What are you for?
Sir, it's a coordinating system. Sometimes the.
Understand, but where lies the problem? With the people,
Sir.
the system, or the people in the system?
Sir, there is a mix of both sometimes, and sir, there is a structural lacuna. There are some wrong elements, but sir, ultimately the system also do the works, and
We have a lot of forest.
if we address them, sir.
Forest resource we have.
sir,
What is the utilization in our country? Say.
sir, there are several forest industries, so that honey industry, lac industry, sir, there is silk industry, shellac industry, there is kendu leaves industry in our country, sir. That is empowering the local people in a great manner, so that they can get good money, sir, for that,
I think you should structure your answer better. You are speaking a bit more.
sir.
I mean, lengthen your answer.
Sir.
Don't go for lengthening.
Sir.
Okay. To the question, answer will be very precise. And in your pronunciation, there is a language problem. Just I told you at the beginning, again, I belongs to. Then some other language mistakes and also in communication. Improve. Try. Listen to your own one recorder to get a self-report.
Sir,
So,
sir,
once you enter the people, speak polite to be the very gently.
sir,
Am I right?
sir,
Your language is not that bad, but be politeness is required in the language. It should be appealing to people.
I have used the particular that use. Answer in appealing manner.
Appealing.
sir. Was my voice was bit?
Don't talk, it shows you are not under pressure. You are trying to thrust upon our
And
idea.
just show your answers.
Bilkul.
There.
And your question is not right.
I told you, I
Sir,
told
sir,
you no.
is this right?
Sit inside.
Sir.
Relax.
Sir.
How bit of
Sir.
Just as you sitting.
I get, sir,
Don't
sir.
make yourself
Sir. Sir, it should not be leaned before, no, like that.
No,
Sir.
but sit inside.
Sir.
आगे बच्चे हाथ में भी बस
Sir, sir. Okay, sir, I will, sir.
You must be presentable, okay?
Sir, sir,
Utilize how it's sitting.
sir,
तो ऐसा बटो ना लीन हो तुम हो भी जाओ किसी पता नहीं तो लीन हो जाओ
sir.
तो इतना आगे बढ़ो तो कैसे लीन होगी यू नो द इंटरवल कर दो 1 आवर
Sir, I will take.
तो बी एट द कंफर्टेबल सीट आप करते करिए एकदम कंफर्टेबल
अब इधर टेंशन जो ଅଛି କାଢି ଦେବି
Sir.
जो कथरा कहउछ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ କହ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପିଲ କରିବେ
Sir, voice ଟା ବି ଟିକେ loud ରହୁଛି ବୋଧେ ନା, ଆଉ ଟିକେ
Voice
କମ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ସ୍ପିଡ ବି ରହୁଛି ଭଏସ ଠିକ ଅଛି
Speed ଅଛି।
ସ୍ପିଡ ଟିକେ ରହି ଯାଉଛି
Sir,
ବହୁତ ବେଶୀ କହି ପକଉଛୁ ଏତେ କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir,
जो ତା ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼ ହେଇ ଯାଉଛି ବୁଝି ହଉଛି
ମଝିରେ ଟିକେ, ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ବୁଝି ପାରିବ
sir, sir, ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ସବୁ ନିଜେ ଫିଡବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଦିଅ ଶୁଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆଜ୍ଞା sir,
Okay.
sir,
All the best.
thank you sir.